weather has suddenly become much colder, and it is important to take care of your health during the winter. Forklifts also require careful maintenance when the temperature drops significantly. Today, we are here to explain winter forklift maintenance tips from Doosan Bobcat. I am Moon Jong from Doosan Bobcat, and I have invited senior expert Daniel Yu from Doosan Bobcat Service. Hello, senior expert.
Hello, Moon Jong.
Hello. So, due to the characteristics of the diesel engines, it seems starting the engine in winter might be difficult. What's the reason behind it?
Yes, well, in low temperatures, battery performance naturally decreases, and the viscosity of engine oil and hydraulic fluid changes, increasing the starting torque when starting the engine.
I see. So what is needed to improve the startability in low temperatures?
To improve startability in low temperatures, you should sufficiently preheat the engine before starting it. Be careful not to operate the starter motor for more than 10 seconds. If the start fails, do not attempt to start it again immediately. Wait for about 30 seconds, then preheat again and try starting it.
Interesting. So what should be done after the engine starts then?
After the engine starts, there is a warm-up period of about 120 seconds, during which the battery charge may be insufficient. Therefore, keep the engine running to ensure live battery is fully charged.
I see, thank you. So it seems that the fuel needed to run the engine is also important. What are the winter diesel fuel management methods?
Diesel fuel is composed of carbon and hydrogen molecules, and when it comes into contact with air, moisture can form. Especially in winter, condensation can cause more moisture to enter the fuel, so you should periodically remove moisture through the fuel's filter water separator or replace the fuel filter. Additionally, in winter, the paraffin naturally present in diesel fuel can solidify like gel and clog the fuel filter. Therefore, it is recommended to use winter diesel with a lower paraffin content.
Now, from what you're explaining, ultimately, temperature management seems important as well. How should the coolant be managed?
Well, if you use only water as coolant without antifreeze, engine can freeze and crack in winter. So be sure to mix antifreeze with water at the specified ratio. Refer to the user manual for details. For example, at minus 15 degrees Celsius, mix 30% antifreeze with 70% water. At minus 23 degrees Celsius, mix 40% antifreeze with 60% water.
Wow, that was such a detailed explanation. Thank you, senior expert. Now, so far, you have explained the maintenance method related to starting issues of the forklift in winter. How about how to extend the lifespan of forklift in wintertime?
Just as we warm up before exercising in cold weather, forklifts also need warming up. In winter, the low temperature slows down battery performance, so it is better to park the forklift indoors. After starting the engine, warm it up sufficiently and operate the hydraulic equipment several times to replenish the oil and ensure lubrication. Additionally, if the forklift is not used daily, start it for at least 30 minutes once a week to maintain battery voltage performance. If there are foreign substances on the plus and minus terminals of an old battery, clean the terminals with a cloth or brush. If there are options like a black box, be sure to use the power saving function as well.
Thank you so much for your kind explanation today. Today, we learned about winter forklift maintenance. Always pay attention to maintenance for safe and efficient forklift operation. This is it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.